Hello, I'm Didiayer Snyder, and I am a television host, up-level coach, and author of On Your Mark, an informative book that has helped thousands of entrepreneurs understand the fundamentals on how to put their best foot forward in building a profitable career. I am willing to bet the reason I have your attention right now is that you've followed your interest in pursuing a career in the entertainment industry. Well, that's great, because I would like to share with you how achievable that goal is by introducing my course, UpLevel Your Career. This program is designed to set you on the path to success in just 7 days. About 13 years into my career, I started traveling as a motivational speaker, where I had the privilege of speaking in front of large audiences about various ways on how to get into the industry. And when I would get off stage, many parents and aspiring entrepreneurs would ask me a lot of questions. And that's when I realized that people needed more information, and more importantly, a mentor. And that's when I decided to write my book, On Your Mark. It's become a treasured guide and reference book for many. So I wanted to take that information one step further, and I developed the online course, UpLevel Your Career, so I can mentor you as you dive deeper into understanding how to successfully and authentically navigate your career. I know what it takes to create a healthy and an abundant career and maintain it, and I want the same for you. You know, all business ventures have their share of lessons along the way, and I want to make sure that you avoid the pitfalls and connect everyone that I teach with the best information to make positive and productive decisions. When you enroll in the UpLevel Your Career course, we will dive deep into crushing any limiting beliefs you may have and work on building a strong foundation for you as an entrepreneur in the entertainment industry. I will teach you the UpLeveling Method to ensure you successfully achieve your goals. We will examine the diverse dimensions and opportunities within the industry that you are best suited for and determine how to develop your online presence. Next, you will learn the proper and most successful approach to connecting with an agent and what they're looking for when meeting new talent. You will also learn the fundamentals of auditioning and walking the runway. There is so much critical education to discover and embrace throughout the 7 lessons in this course. When you register today, you will also receive a signed copy of my book, On Your Mark, an insight guide to modeling and beyond, in the mail. I also created an ebook exclusively for this course entitled The Agency Index. Instead of you surfing the internet looking for an agency, we have done the work for you and listed reputable agencies, eliminating the guessing game and saving you time and money. Their names, addresses, websites, and even phone numbers are listed, even down to the types of talent they represent, making it much easier for you. You'll also receive an ebook copy of Self-Confidence Unleashed. I love this book. It's really powerful in stripping away everything and getting you laser focused on shifting your mindset and crushing any limiting beliefs you may have. It's a subject we all face, and it's one that I want to make sure that you conquer. And if that's not enough, you will also receive an e-copy of Instagram Marketing 101, because everyone needs to know how to master social media and create an authentic following. You know, in today's industry as an entrepreneur, it's very important that you understand the power of social media and learn the do's and don'ts to establishing a genuine online presence. We have even added extra bonuses, such as full-length interviews with some of Hollywood's biggest agents and coaches, and audition scripts and monologues for you to practice your skills before performing in front of an agent or casting director. And when you complete the course, you'll be able to get on a video call with me to review your career goals and make sure your product is ready. Does that sound good? It's pretty awesome, right? Click the link below and register today. I look forward to becoming your mentor and guiding you towards a successful career.